Hi everybody, this is Ashraf Yasmin, Associate Professor from CSC Department. I'm handling paper video creation and editing and the code is CCS371. So the main course objectives of this VCE is to introduce the broad perspective of linear and non-linear concepts, to understand the concept of storytelling styles, so how digital storytelling is there, okay, and formal manual storytelling is there. So many of them to be familiar with the audio and video recording, to apply different media tools and softwares, to learn and understand the concept of Avid Express DB4. Okay, it's a big software, professional software. So these are the course objectives in this. Next is video creation. What do you mean by video creation? So video creation is nothing but the process of planning, recording, producing a video content. It involves many steps also. What is it? Pre-production, production, post-production. Pre-production is nothing but including script writing, storyboarding, and planning of shoots, taking a footage, the raw footage, and necessary resources gathered. So these are the pre-production. What's the production? Capturing the video footage using a cameras, lightings, and audio equipments on the runtime. So this is a production process. And what's the post-production? Editing process. The editing and redefining footage into a final product. If we want it or does like don't like in any clippings, we can easily remove it. So it makes it comes under the post-production. Okay. So next is what is a video editing? So video editing is a process of manipulating, arranging a video clips, audios, and visual effects to create a polished and engaging videos. It includes what are the steps? Include cutting and trimming, transitions, adding effects, audio editing, color corrections. These are the features involved in this video editing. Transition, smoothly shifting between scenes. You can easily shift the scenes from one move to another. Adding effects, so filterings, adding animation inside it, special effects, so it is with this effects. And audio editing, enhancing sound effects, digital sound effects, synchronizing dialogues, so dialogue effects, everything it becomes under this audio editing. And color corrections, adding, adjusting a brightness, the contrast, and color grading for the professional look, making into a professional footage. So these are the features done with this video editing. Okay, what are the tools for video editing? What are the tools and softwares will be used mainly is some popular video editing is beginner for user friendly and professionals. Because of user friendly, anybody can use it easily. So iMovie, CapCut, Filmora. So these are the basically the users can use it. And another thing is professionals. So professionals can use this softwares. So Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, DaVinci Resolve, so Cut Pros. See, these are the softwares only when the professionals can make the footage and make the films. Okay. So next is ethics and video editing. So while taking a video, so ethics should be handled by the editors as well as producers and filmmakers. There have to be ethics. Okay, so what are the ethics? It is accuracy and truthfulness, transparency, cultural sensitivity, intellectual property rights, respect for the subjects. Okay, so on the accuracy and truthfulness. So the video editors have the responsibility to accurately represent reality and avoid this misleading from this. Okay, so this is the one of the ethics in video editing. And next is transparency. So transparency which helps maintain the trust of the audience. Okay, from the audience we have to make the trust. Okay, so one is the one other thing. And cultural sensitivity. Sensitivity, the cultural sensitivity makes a difference and when editing the content. Editor should be mindful while making a film. So cultural sensitivity and intellectual property rights. The editor should respect the intellectual property rights of others, including copyrights, trademarks, and getting license. So these property guides. So should not. So other cannot steal this. Okay, your property cannot be stolen by others. So get this goodwill and intellectual property rights and respect for subjects. Okay, so whoever it is editing footage featuring individuals or committees, editor should prioritize respect for the dignity and privacy right of those depicted footage. Okay, who's taking, he should be respectful for this. So these are the ethics, the basic ethics should be the video editor should have. Okay, the next is evolution of filmmaking. Evolution of filmmaking beginners of more than centuries it have been carried out. So influenced by technology, creativity, and storytelling styles that major changes in production and audience experiences. So, silent in 19th century and 1920s, the film has no synchronized sound at all and short experimental in nature, use of visual storytelling and title cards. Then brothers, and these are the examples. Okay, so that's manually have to be printed. So everything will be manually collected. So now in the 1990s and after the 1990s and 2000, the digital revolution has come. After that, the film from films to digital cameras it converted and CJ, the graphical user interfaces has been implemented and for visual effects and lower production cost. So everything will be, for example, the film is Jurassic Park, Avatar. So these are the films we can take as an example. Okay, and evolution of filmmaking from 2000 to present. Okay, streaming and online distributions is a popularly known it. So the rise of streaming platforms like Netflix, Amazon, Prime, so Hulu. So this is transform the basic distributor landscapes, providing filmmakers and alternative avenues to reach the audience. So this is time present, and next is immersive technologies. Immersive technologies from 2010 to present. Okay, so nowadays the film will be AR, VR. So augmented reality and virtual reality will be implemented in the 360 diagonals. Okay, diagnose of the situations. We make filmmakers are be implementing. The filmmakers are experimenting with interactive storytellings and blurring the lines between cinemas and other forms of medias, enhancing. Okay, so there's a lot of and make the audience so impressive. The evolution of filmmaking has been attained. Okay, so thank you for everything for watching this. Thank you.